Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an amazing 1968 Ford F100 Ranger. The fit and finish on this is amazing. It's a short bed. It's got a high-performance 390 big block under the hood. It's got factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, been frame-off restored. I have nothing but good things to tell you about this truck. You can also go to volocars.com, read all the specs, study 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this F100. The fit and finish is what drew me to it. Well, the candy apple red paint, but I mean, it's outstanding. You know, we get nice cars and you have the exceptional ones. This one's exceptional. Just beautiful. And it was born this way. It was born a short bed with a 390 and factory air conditioning. Body was off the frame. The frame has been powder coated. Everything underneath's been rebuilt. It has a DJM lowering kit. It's lowered 3 inches in front, 4 inches in back. So it's got the twin I-beams in front. All that is upgraded, and the shackles in back for the springs, and all new shocks. Front end's all rebuilt, kingpins, all of it's new. Disc brakes in front, that's rebuilt. It's got a great sounding exhaust. You'll hear in a little bit here. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has a custom oil pan. It's got a C6 automatic with a torque converter, a little bit higher stall torque converter. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end and back with posi, so it's all redone underneath. The metal's beautiful. The floors are just a satin black. They're not even pitted, just dry, clean floors. And you know why they're dry and clean? This thing was built in San Jose and it lived out in California until recently. So it's a good rust-free truck they started with. I can't tell you enough, fit and finish on this thing's exceptional. It even feels slick. I'm amazed. This thing must get 200 miles to the gallon because it's so slick. I bet it just goes right through the breeze. So all the gaps are spot on. The paint is like red glass. It's the Ranger, so it has extra trim on the sides. But the emblems, the lenses here, the grille was chrome plated. I think they're just supposed to be aluminum, but it was actually chromed. So the bumper, the emblem, all these side moldings are like in excellent shape. They're all shiny, they're all straight. Your door handles, this trim is all beautiful. It has all new glass all the way around, so the gaskets are all new as well. Very highly polished 20-inch torque thrust wheels with performance tires on them. This whole tail panel, this has to be new. All of this is just mint. A beautiful bumper. Inside, clean, straight, not beat up, not damaged, not rusted. And it is painted as slick as the outside. Then your gas cap here, your mirrors, 390 emblems. This thing is just a hot-looking truck. Inside is all painted just as slick. The inside of the door and the cab, it's all polished red. The seat has nice new cushion, real nice upgrade. It's a thick but soft vinyl covering on there. These tires are new. I still see the nubs on the treads of the tire. You're going to like what's under here, and you're going to really love how it sounds when I start it. It's a 390 motor. It's got 428 heads on it. It's got a Howard's cam in there. It has a highly polished Edelbrock intake, a big dual feed Holley carb, billet distributor, all MSD ignition system. It's got a billet alternator. Factory air conditioning, which is supposed to work. It's got a lot of new parts. Power steering, power disc brakes. Big aluminum radiator with an aluminum shroud and dual electric fans. Look how beautiful all this here is. It does have a Pioneer stereo. The steering wheel looks new. The instrument panel, probably original, but really nice shape. It's got a Pioneer stereo. It is a Ranger, so it has a headliner. It's the original headliner. It's got a couple little warps in it, but it's nice. Yeah, nice cam. How many trucks you know sound like that? It's all painted real nice. Got headers, some thinned aluminum Edelbrock valve covers. Battery is bolted down. Just look at what a sexy truck this is. Doors shut beautifully. This has got it all. I wrote in my ad, when you're comparing, make sure you're comparing to a factory 390, factory air, power steering, power disc brake, short bed, has been frame off restored, and it's as slick as this thing. That paint's laid out like red chrome. Got a beautiful truck here. Anyway, I don't need to say anymore. It's selling itself. You can visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of the truck. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, they'd be happy to answer them. They will also make the delivery and financing and paperwork real easy for you. So visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, I appreciate that. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can click on the bell icon to be notified as the new one's posted. Thanks for watching.